Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can create a new workspace and add it to your account on Monday.com. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Monday and navigate to the home section, and here below on the left panel you will see a list of all of your workspaces. So you may select the one you would like to go with by clicking into the drop-down menu, and you will see the list of my workspaces below. And you will also see that button here, add workspace. You can click into this or into that plus button here. So let me go with that option here, add workspace, and after that simply assign a new or give it a new name, like, I don't know, my test workspace or something like this. And you may also edit the icon by clicking into it here and upload, for example, a custom image or photo to use it as an icon for your workspace. And here you may set the visibility, like, for example, open or closed. And that's basically it. After that, click into add workspace here. And that's it. Now your workspace will then be created. You can customize it here, edit it, invite your friends, for example, or coworkers or contacts to it. You may add a new boards by using a template or by starting with a completely blank board, and navigate to content also to see a list of all of your boards. Once you have created these, they will be listed here below. And as previously mentioned, guys, if you'd like to navigate between your workspaces, click into the drop-down menu and select your workspace here to the left. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.